In this strategy, it only tells you to buy or sell, it does not add all the work. This is one of the best trading setups in the world that they use. Detection of PRZ zones. In the comprehensive strategy, these stations are called PRZ or key return points. Be careful, this PRZ is very different from what you have heard in harmonic patterns or price action, which we will explain below how to identify PRZs. In comprehensive Forex strategy, we know that when the market misses an important PRZ level, it moves to the next level. Like a train, when it passes a station, the next station moves. And the task of us traders is to find these stations, important and key levels, on each chart. We can use several tools for this, and the important PRZ area that we are looking for is actually a place where many of these tools overlap. First, we look at the blank chart, without adding any tools, to identify where the price has been stuck for several times. These areas that the market reacts to can be horizontal and can be trend lines or even channels. So we are actually looking for support, resistance, and trend lines. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Do you know moving averages or moving averages? These tools are extremely useful, and one of their uses is that they help us in finding PRZ areas, and their combination with other tools has a great result. Fibonacci types also come to our aid in this step, so that we can find important areas of the PRZ. When you use these tools, you will see interesting areas appear on the chart that are confirmed by almost all of these tools, and you will see a nice overlap of these tools. Those areas become our important PRZs. At the end of step 2, we must pay attention that the number of supports and resistances on the figure is high. The pivots are the same, and we can draw a lot of different moving origins. So, we should be able to identify areas where these instruments overlap or are extremely close to each other as areas of high reliability and ignore small stations along the way. Measuring market energy in this step, we need to pay attention to the oscillators. Maybe you have also heard that some people say in an amateur way that oscillators are old and obsolete. From now on, when you hear this, you should doubt the knowledge of those people because this is one of the biggest mistakes of uneducated people. This problem is generally faced by those who do not know where the correct place to use oscillators is. You should be careful that if you wanted to use oscillators earlier in any of the previous steps that we explained, you would have gone 100% wrong, and then you might have thought that the problem was with the indicators. But if now and at the right stage for measurement use them, you will see how good and practical they are. At this stage of the CTS strategy, we are looking to see if the market has reached a certain station. But it is easier than this to go to the daily time and regression trend side tool. Take it and put a ceiling from the lowest floor and up until now, and when the price has this maneuver, it can be an important level for you. But it is important to confirm that when the price is fixed, take it and go ahead with it because it has good power. This tool is a channel and it has 3 lines. Take these lines and go to the time of 5 minutes and delete the channel with the lines whenever the price hits the pullback method or I get a strong stabilization. Fibo secret tool 0.5% or 0.618% is the first and last in any direction of ceiling and floor, and when the price reaches these, you can take it. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.